There's practicum and internship experience that students are working on, so there's a lot of group work projects.
Through the school, there is an internship, building our own apps with the school. And then also through the program and through the internship coordinator, I was able to actually find another internship with a startup company. The employer for that said that if it's successful, then they would be looking at hiring the interns.
I'm their data research intern, so I get to do analytics, but also visualizations and then simple queries and things like that. So I really hope to work with data more after this.
Having that live experience, dealing with merge conflicts and other difficulties that come with this field, especially at a distance, was both challenging but rewarding too. I can come out of this and say that yes, I've experienced this and can come to a solution quicker than somebody who's just experiencing it for the first time.